Now, here's how you register as a gas dealer into gasfinder.com. You first go to Google and search the word gas finder. Now, once you do that, you will see a couple of search results that are displayed there. And the first one is the one that you will click onto, the one which has the logo to gas finder. So click onto that link and you'll be redirected to the website. Now, important thing, this website of gas finder uses your location to display the dealers that are around you. Once it accesses your location, it displays the dealers that are around you. For me, I've already turned on my location, that's why it has shown me. So if you have not turned on your location, make sure you grant permission access so that it will enable itself to access the location and to display the dealers that are around you. So for example, here you can see onto the map there are a number of dealers that are around here in Rongai, and also as you see here in the dealer section, there are a number of dealers that have already been registered here at Rongai. And also there's a product section where you can see the products of all the dealers that have been registered here in Rongai. So now if I'm an agent and I want to enlist a dealer, or I want to register a dealer so that he or she has a business here into gasfinder.com and it will be seen here, there's yellow icon. There's a yellow button at the left bottom of your screen. There's a yellow button that is at the left bottom corner of your screen which has a black logo which looks like a shop. You need to click on that yellow button. Once you do that, it will take you to this page telling you either to sign in, and also there's a statement which says that if you don't have an account, register. So I believe the person who you are trying to register doesn't have an account because he is new to gasfinder.com. So if you are a user or a dealer, you must have first an account. Before even registering as a gas dealer, you must have a user account. So we'll go ahead and create our account first as a user before registering as a gas dealer. So you first register yourself. Now here it will ask you for some few things: your name, email, and password. So here I will use my name and my email and password. So first I'll pick any name, maybe say the person is called Derek, and I'll use his or her email which he will give you. I'll say at derek@gmail.com. Now this email must be valid and must be in use, because if you forget your password, the reset password link will be sent to this email. So make sure that this is a valid email address and also it is in use. So I'll go ahead and put on my password. Now also, this password must be a minimum of 8 characters. The password must be a minimum of 8 characters. So, and you can put your name, your phone number, so that it can be easier for you to remember this password, so that when you sign in, you will remember this password. So once you do that, once you have taken an easy password and anything that you will remember, you can agree to the term and condition and register. Once you do that, now you have successfully become a user into gasfinder.com. Now you are as user and it has welcomed you to your dashboard, and it is welcoming and it's saying you can manage your sellers, products, and favorite dealers in one place. So here there are some sections where you can favorite sellers and register as, and you can register as seller, and also there's my products. This now we're interested in registering this person as a dealer. So we have successfully registered him as a user. Now we need to register him now as a dealer. So you go on to register as a seller or dealer. So in this page, you'll see this page that you'll be redirected to, telling you that you register as a gas dealer for 300 shillings. So in this page there are four sections. There's personal, there's business, there's location, and there are terms and conditions. So in this first the first detail, you will be required to fill in the personal or M-Pesa phone, and at the bottom it says personal phone usage. This number will be used to receive M-Pesa payment prompts for your gas finder subscription. So this number is the one that will receive the prompt for you to register with the 300 shillings. So it must be a valid M-Pesa phone number, because it will receive the prompt from M-Pesa for you to pay this subscription fee of 300, so that you can be listed into gas finder. So that is the first detail that you need to fill. I will use a valid phone number which uses M-Pesa. Then I'll go to next. This next section is the business details section. This is where you provide details of the business which you are trying to register. This is a section where you provide the details of the business that you're trying to register. And here it asks you to provide the business phone number, business name, and location, and the business photo. So the business phone number, it says this number will be used by customers to call you and receive WhatsApp messages when they share their location for gas delivery. So this business phone number is the one which customers will be able to call you and access you directly. So make sure that you provide the number which customers will call you, so that they can order from you as a gas dealer. So I will use the same phone number, because mostly people use still their personal and their business phone number is the same. But if you use different, the first one should be the first phone number should be the one which you will receive prompts for you to pay your gas finder subscription, and the second business number should be the one which customers call you in order to order from you. So you'll also provide the business name. The business name can be anything that you call, or the business of your gas enterprise. So call it the name of your gas enterprise, and then you can go and fill in the name of your location. Let's say, for example, I'm in Acacia, so I'll fill this location as Acacia because I'm right there. And then I'll choose the photo which will be displayed as the image of the business. As you have seen there at the home page, there are a number of dealers that have been displayed with their business images. So this is the image which you should pick, so that it will be displayed as an image of your business. Now once you are done with that, you can go to next. Now here this is the place where you pinpoint your location. This is the place where we pinpoint your location, and it will be registered at that area which you have pinpointed at. So if you're currently at your business premises, you should say use my current location, so that it may pinpoint where you are, and your business will be registered exactly where you are. So I will click on to use my current location, and it will pinpoint me to where I currently am, so that it will register the location of the business where it currently is. Now I've been automatically placed where I am, and the business has been pinpointed exactly where it is. Now once you have done that, you click on next, and now here you can agree to the tailor terms and conditions. And once you do that, now you are through with registering as a dealer. Once you are done with that, you will click on submit. Once you do that, there's a prompt from M-Pesa that will ask you to pay the 300 shillings for your subscription fee as a dealer into gasfinder.com. So you can enter your PIN, and once you do that and the payment is successful, you will be registered as a gas dealer in your location, and people will be able to access you into that location. So once you do that, the payment is successful, you will be registered now as a gas dealer. So when you are finished, you will be registered. You'll just return to the dashboard, and now you'll be able to add your products, and now you'll be visible to your area. In the next video, I'll be showing how to add products into Gas Finder.